For centuries, the legal profession has remained largely unchanged. Lawyers, with their deep knowledge of legal codes and precedents, have been the gatekeepers of justice. They interpret laws, advise clients, and argue cases in court. The traditional legal system relies heavily on human judgment and experience. The legal profession, however, is on the brink of a technological revolution. Artificial intelligence, in its simplest form, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. In the legal field, AI takes many forms. These range from algorithms that analyze legal documents to chatbots that provide basic legal advice. AI systems are trained on massive datasets of legal documents, including statutes, case law, and contracts. This allows them to identify patterns, predict outcomes, and even draft legal documents with remarkable accuracy. The emergence of AI in law has the potential to transform the legal profession in profound ways. One of the most significant advantages of AI in law is its potential to increase efficiency. Lawyers often spend countless hours reviewing documents, researching case law, and drafting legal filings. AI can automate many of these tasks, freeing up lawyers to focus on more complex and strategic work. Moreover, AI has the potential to make legal services more affordable and accessible. Traditionally, legal representation has been expensive, putting it out of reach for many individuals and small businesses. AI-powered legal tools can provide affordable legal assistance, such as document review and basic legal advice, to those who might not otherwise have access to it. Section 4. Concerns on the horizon, job displacement, and the limits of AI. Despite the many potential benefits of AI in law, there are also valid concerns. One of the most pressing is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they may be able to perform some of the tasks currently performed by lawyers and paralegals. Another concern is that AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, the AI system will reflect those biases.